Welcome to the final tutorial of our Copernicus Masters Business Series. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the key things you need to think about to write a clear, concise and effective executive summary. The executive summary is the first thing the evaluators will read. It captures their interest and encourages them to read on. Your executive summary needs to deliver a strong pitch for your business ideas. You want people to pay attention right from the start. You need to pull out all the key points from your application. When these points are combined, they should deliver a strong, clear, and concise summary of the potential of your idea. A weak executive summary means evaluators have to work harder to find the key points you want them to understand and remember. When they have a number of applications to review, this can be very challenging. Whilst the executive summary is the first thing the evaluators will read, it tends to be the last section you complete in your application. It should set out a clear and compelling proposition. You need to provide a clear summary of your idea. Evaluators need to understand your solution and the challenge or the gap in the market you're addressing. Connect to the challenge. In this competition, evaluators need to understand how your solution fits in with their challenge theme. Explain who you are. Add a brief line on whether you're a startup, an entrepreneur, or an academic team. Demonstrate you have a market. Provide the most compelling value proposition and a clear summary of your potential market size. Explain your competitive advantage. Be clear about your solution and how it meets the customer needs. Highlight if you've validated your solution in the market. Identify where you are in the startup process. For example, is this an early stage idea or do you have a proof of concept or a prototype? Outline your business model. How do you intend to commercialize your product or solution? Try and close with a short and compelling final pitch to your solution and your ambition for your business idea. A few tips to help you with your strong executive summary. Make it clear and concise. Think of it as a roadmap to guide the evaluators through your applications. Make it compelling. Include the strongest data and market proposition. The executive summary has to sell the commercial potential of your idea. It's really important not to make it too technical. They can find out later how it will work. Evaluators need to understand the impact of your solution and how it will benefit the customers. So, when you're writing your executive summary, think about, have you identified who your target audience are? Have you demonstrated your competitive advantage? Have you described your business model in a clear and concise way? When you've finished, get a second opinion. If they understand it, we will too. And don't forget to make a connection to the challenge you're responding to and the fact you'll be using satellite data. The space connection is critical.